So I was going to do a quick carpool, but I decided to talk about the law of reversibility because that's what Spirit says to talk about. The law of reversibility. If water can turn into steam and steam can turn into water, steam and water are the same thing, vibrating on a different frequency. If circumstance can produce a feeling, then a feeling can produce circumstance. Mass can turn into energy and energy can turn into mass. This is science. I'm a nerd, so I'm going to use Einstein's E is mc squared. E equals energy, m equals mass, c equals the speed of light. What you are seeking is also seeking you. Thoughts are waves, waves carry frequencies and energy. Mass also carries frequency and energy. Mass is bound by space and time, right? If you could think of your desire, then it is already existing in another dimension. And the quantum field, it just has no mass yet. All waves exist in the quantum field. The quantum levels are in different realities, but your mind has the ability to pick up on that frequency. Everything is energy. Everything vibrates. Since thoughts are waves, they determine what reality you live in. You are giving your thoughts energy through emotions. And emotions are energy in motion, right? Our emotions are the light in Einstein's equation. In order to quantum jump into your desired reality, you have to align your vibration to the frequency of your desire. And that's where the subconscious mind comes in. This is why emotional control and thought control is vital. Change the paradigm and your subconscious mind. It is the subconscious mind that controls your vibration. It has almost exclusive control over your thoughts. Most of the thoughts you thought of today are the same thoughts you thought of yesterday. Place your attention and therefore your emotions, which is energy in motion, on the thoughts that you want to. You can manifest those things instead of the things that you don't want to manifest. You do have the power to consciously reject the thoughts that you don't want, to turn it into the thoughts that you do want. And this is the reason why so many people can't manifest what they really want, because they rely only on their five senses. But not only do you have five senses, you also have higher faculties. These are intuition, will, perception, reason, imagination, and memory. We were just never taught how to use those. We're taught to rely on our five senses, and that means that we are letting the outside influence the inside. But we as humans create our environment. Therefore, that means what happens on the inside mirrors outside. If that makes any sense.